Welcome to Jethro's Garage. I appreciate y'all coming in here and sitting with me today. I've got a couple of magnetic pickup tools to show you. Early on when I did my last test with magnets, someone asked me, hey, you got any lighted ones, sir? You seen any lighted ones? And my first thought was, everything I've seen so far is a little chintzy, little cheapest looking or gimmicky. But I found two that I thought were the most promising, or felt were the most promising. These are the only two I found that I felt worth buying. There could be more out there, but this is what I found. So y'all hang on a minute, come on up here and join me and look at these things. Okay, first up here, we got the Dream Master. Magnetic pickup tool, lighted for $16.99. Second up, we got the Tool Whiz. Magnetic pickup tool, lighted for $6.99. Both of them look okay, but let's take a closer look at them. So they're both battery powered, they're both telescoping. So this one, you have to spin the end to turn the light on. It's not a super bright light. I need to figure out a way to measure light, but I don't have that yet. But you know, it looks very similar to others that I have. Well, I don't have it here in front of me, but anyway. Anyway, let's see if it actually pick up. 1.2 pounds. Not bad. I won't go further than that. I think that's probably reasonable. I'm not going to try to pick up the big 15-pound piece of steel I've got. But, so, I don't know what I did with the packaging for this. I've had it for about 4 or 5 months. It says it has an 8-pound magnet, it's telescoping, LED light, it's adjustable and convenient. So, like I said, it's battery powered, it's not chargeable. You just got to take it apart and change the battery out when you get ready. It extends to roughly, I'll have to measure this off screen for you. Looks like it's got 32 inches of reach. Not bad. The telescoping is decently stiff. It feels like it's okay made. It's just the lights, a little chintzy. You know, if you know, it's not a bad price though. So for a pickup tool, it's not too bad. And the pull for the side pull isn't horrible. Now let's look at this other one. Now, well, let me give you my opinions of this one after I explain it to you a little bit. So this one again, battery operated. The light is a little better on it. Turn it over here. So it's got 3 LEDs in there. It's got a magnetic head and base. The base is magnetic, and it's got a magnetic head, and it'll pick that up. It is telescoping, and then it's got a flexible head, which is pretty neat. Honestly, it feels cheap. It could just be me. It's got a lightweight aluminum handle. Lightweight aluminum, I think this part is aluminum. So, you know, not too bad. It comes with 4 extra batteries. And let's read what they tell us about it. And they don't really tell us anything about it. Just gives us instructions. So, okay. So it doesn't tell us how much weight it's supposed to hold, which no big deal. We figured out that it'd hold up. You know, I didn't have a high opinion of it. Both of them, the lights sort of were like weak, but this one felt a little better made. This one has a lot more features. But if I had to buy one, I think I'd buy the cheaper one anyway, just because. But I do like the fact that this end is flexible and that it has a magnetic base so that you can kind of use it as a flashlight. I don't know. What do y'all think about this thing? That's a pretty decently strong magnet for just this outer ring right here, and it's stronger than this back magnet. Okay, let me back y'all up. Look, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if I'm recommending these or not. I will say that the Tool Whiz for $6.99 is worth a try. Maybe I'll give it a chance and use it a little bit around here and see if I like it. You never know. Maybe that little bitty light on the end that doesn't put out much will come in handy. As much as I like the flexible function, everything else about this just screams cheap. I'm pretty sure both of these are made in China. Yeah, so this one's made in China. And this one's made in China. Feels like some stuff I'd get off of Temu, which I don't. I did Temu for this long and I decided I don't want it. It's really stuff you can get anywhere else for the same price without having to deal with all the, yeah. Temu's a different story. What do y'all think? Do you want me to try to find more and test them out and see whether I like them? I don't know. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great week. If you don't mind, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share me with your friends. That's, if anything, if you don't do nothing, share me with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. And y'all take care of each other and have a blessed week.